Alright guys, so I just want to do a quick review on my iPlay PS4, PS4 Pro, either or charging dock, which is this one right here, and this is kind of what you get. Which is cool is like you can charge both PS4 controller at the same time as well as PS Move controller, so you just literally put them right here. And it also comes with 3 additional USBs, which is handy like if you're trying to charge like extra batteries for the remotes or anything like that. And just like I have my PS4 here, like it's already attached. You just plug it into one of the USB ports. Here's super cool, like all these light up. And then once you get like your remote, check it out. See how that one turned off? So it actually doesn't turn on, it actually turns red, letting you know that it's charging the remote. So that's like a super cool feature. And these 3 ports as well, like I said, like I keep all my electronics in the same spot. So like now having this creates a lot more space for me. So watch, I could literally have like my iPad. Just plug it in here. And there it goes. So again, it's super convenient, saves a lot of space because sometimes you have like something charging here, something charging here. Like this keeps it all in one area. And like I said, it's nice and neat. Good charger, highly recommend, 10 out of 10.